After working for large and small roofing companies for over a decade, Denny dreamed of creating something special for Denver. Denny's Roofing, a roofing company near Union Station, Denver, Colorado, was built on expertise, integrity, and an unwavering passion for serving the community. We treat every roof like it protects our own family. We offer unmatched craftsmanship and a mission to provide 5-star service. Your satisfaction is at the heart of everything we do. From minor repairs to full roof replacements, we deliver solutions that are as unique as your home. Our team works tirelessly to ensure your roof can withstand Denver's most brutal storms. We're proud to specialize in both residential and commercial roofing, offering personalized care for every project. From sleek metal roofs to classic asphalt shingles, we bring your vision to life with precision and care. We're not just a roofing company, we're your neighbors who genuinely care. Protecting your home and its memories is a responsibility we take to heart. Our dedication doesn't stop when the work is done. We stand by every project with lasting warranties and ongoing support because your peace of mind matters to us. If you're looking for a roofing company near Union Station, Denver, that cares as much about your home as you do, we're here to help. Call us today at 970-545-0020 or visit our website, sites.google.com/view/roofing-near-union-station-co and let us show you the difference passion makes. Denny's Roofing, LLC, Denver. Expertise you can trust, service you deserve.